I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You've opened the file, now target the vector layer directly. If it's a shape layer, use the fill swatch in the options bar. If it's a smart object, double-click to edit contents. Make a duplicate first so you can roll back changes. Once done, choose the layer to affect only that object. Make sure the layer isn't locked and that vector paths are intact, because you'll be changing fill properties rather than raster pixels to preserve sharp edges. You'll change the color by editing the fill or applying a layer style. With the shape selected, open Properties or the Options bar and pick a new fill color. That updates instantly. For more control, add a color overlay in Layer style, then set blend mode and opacity to taste. If you need a gradient or multi-tone look, apply gradient overlay or a gradient map adjustment clip to the shape. These methods keep the vector crisp and let you tweak color non-destructively. Finalize by grouping edits and clipping any adjustment layers to the vector so effects only apply to that shape. Save a version with smart objects intact. Rasterize only when exporting or for final effects you cannot create otherwise. If the color doesn't update, make sure blending modes aren't canceling the fill and that no layer mask or clipping mask hides changes. A quick fix is toggling visibility of interfering layers. If needed, undo and reapply the color overlay with normal blend mode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.